There's Helen Willetts. And Helen, what's the latest on the stormy weather that we're going to get?
Already gusting around 60 to 70 miles an hour in Southern Ireland. This is the very defined storm, as you can see here on the satellite photo, Rita. And that storm Agnes, is bearing down across the UK and Ireland now. It's going to push its influence further north and east, escalating the winds elsewhere, pushing in a spell of very wet weather, in particular for Northern Ireland and Scotland as well. But those winds getting to around 40 to 50 miles an hour inland, just about anywhere away from the south and the east. Gusts around 70, 75 miles an hour in the exposed coast, particularly the Irish Sea coast. Those winds enough to bring down the odd branch, even the odd tree, because they're in full leaf, and the leaves, of course, blocking up the drain. So added with the rain could cause some local flooding and, of course, disruptive and hazardous travel conditions. So more on the warnings on the website. This is how it's looking at the moment, that rain. So it's wet and very windy for Northern Ireland now, as it will be across the bulk of mainland Scotland. But actually for the Northern Isles, staying fine and dry, and actually a season of two seasons in one day, because across southern and eastern areas we will escape the worst through the day, and it'll feel quite warm with some sunshine coming through, 22, 23. But for most, obviously, it's fairly warm air with this storm system, but obviously it will feel cool with the wind and the rain. So quite a stormy afternoon and evening rush to come for some of us, and there will be some squally showers moving into southern and eastern areas as well through this evening. Then overnight, the winds start to moderate for many away from the north and away from Scotland, and the rain starts to clear, but notably warm, much warmer than last night. These are temperatures that you'd normally see in the daytime at this time of year. And Storm Agnes will have blown itself away by the time we get to tomorrow from all but the Northern Isles. So for most of us, still a blustery day, still more rain coming in from the west, still quite a bit of cloud first thing, but hopefully enough breeze to break some holes in the clouds, see some brightness, some sunshine. Not as high the temperatures today in the south and the east, but I think feeling pleasant enough for most, where you see the brightness and sunshine. Then during tomorrow evening and overnight, as that weather front pushes the rain further eastwards, we may also see some more rain on this low pressure system moving up from the south. So again, some uncertainty that far ahead, but I think it should clear away during Friday morning. Sunny spells and showers towards the north and west with low pressure close by, but again, not a bad end, dry and bright, some of it weather for the working week and into the weekend, where we've got more rain on its way. But of course, at the moment, it is all about Storm Agnes. So do stay up to date, because it is likely to give some hazardous conditions and potential disruption. Rita.